Hey guys, what is up? This is a Forza video right here. Today I'm gonna be testing to see, either is one of my personally built drift cars, versus a Formula drift car. Now, it's not really 100% accurate, obviously, but also I didn't really plan out a car to use, so I just kind of scrolled through until I found a decent car. So now I'm just gonna spend my time upgrading it real quick, and then we'll get right to the drifting. So I think I could either do RB26 or VR38 DETT, which is out of the R35. So we're gonna do that, and I think we might. Yeah, we might as well put a wide body kit on it. And we are gonna put the Rocket Bunny ducktail. Get some wheels and upgrade the tires on it. Gonna put some 1552s on it probably and make this, even though it's a Nissan, get a Ken Block wrap up in here. Just gonna be something little that I just throw in here. We're gonna do, I was trying to think of before I was making this video, a good car or a good motor to use. I'm trying to think. There's not that many engines off the top of my head that you can swap into cars that you can get like that high of horsepower numbers. They have to be like not swapped cars. So this motor fully maxed out gets you right over 1000 horsepower. So we'll try and see how this works. This is how I usually build out all my drift cars too. I mean, I don't always do wheels and wide body kit and stuff like that, but I usually fully max out the engine depending on what car it is, and then I'll decide if I want to keep NA motor, or not NA motor, sorry. If I want to keep the stock motor, if I want to swap it. But yeah, I usually do sport tires, max thickness in the back. Then I usually upgrade the track width if I can. And then sometimes I will tune it a little bit. Right here I'm just gonna tune the camber a little bit, just give it a little bit more fitment, fitment function over fitment or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna give this a nice little wrap here. We'll just paint it real quick, and then I'll cut it out to where I'm done with the wrap, and then we'll be ready to get on drifting. Just gonna put some bright green wheels on here, try and see what all we can get. This is a warm-up here. It's just a warm-up for the first drift zone. Not the first drift zone, sorry. I haven't drifted this car yet. Since I made it new to me. I'm just trying to really nail that entry because I doubt I'm going to be able to come anywhere close to mean, unless you pick a really unrealistic drift car and try and make it work, it's very hard to get anywhere close to top drift, just mostly with the weight. Because in this game, they have Formula Drift cars down to like I mean, they are all
Arrived at your destination.
My drift cars that I did create. I'm not going to be doing actual full-on attempts with that car. But yeah, also I'm just going to do like 3 attempts downhill, unless I get a better uphill. I'm probably just going to do the downhill ones. Take my best high score out of that car. And if it beats it, we'll see. This might be my last run before I get into my drift car. Pretty good entry.
At your destination.
So yeah, we're gonna end 350 there. So we got max of what, 80, almost 90,000 points. So now I didn't really, I have like, I upgraded the Corvette fully, and I upgraded the HSV Maloo fully. But I think we're gonna try this in the 240, which I don't think I've upgraded this any. So we're gonna try this in the 240. Not a fan of the front bumper off that Rocket Bunny kit, but it's alright. This car sounds super nice. Just gonna go up and start. Blow-off valve in this car, it's a very different sound to like now this corner I actually did pretty well in the very first run here.
Arrived at your destination.
We're gonna do a couple more runs just to see if we can beat that score. And in this car, obviously it was expected. Maybe I will do this challenge with some of my friends in the future, but I just kind of got this video idea off the top of my head, and at that time, the day I recorded this video,
you have arrived at your destination.
I wasn't really doing anything, so I just decided to record a video myself. So I wasn't really prepared much. You should have maybe prepared a little bit more. But I mean, I kind of did get somewhat prepared. Which that entry, of course, was good entry there, and I waited too long, and I compared that entry. Got super wide on the exit there. Pretty good.
You have arrived at your destination.
96,000. Very good ticket, almost 40,000 points. Trying to see if we can name this corner. That on the outside line, which is pretty good. Could have gone a little wide on it.
You have arrived at your destination.
So, I think 96,000 is the best I'm gonna do as of right now. So we are going to try and switch. I'm gonna drive my Corvette here. See how this goes. How this is kind of set up, it's running about 11,500 horsepower, so about 60 horsepower. It is not swapped. I believe this one, instead of sport tires, since it had a little bit more power, this one should have race tires, but I have the same setup for everything on here. For this one, I'm going to try and I'm just going to kind of mess around with this just to see how my opinions are. Try and do that. Of course, I messed it up. Now, the thing I want to mention, some cars, I know with this car and the R34 V12, solid drive, but like, if you put a drift suspension, you can see it right there more. On some cars, for some reason, when you drift suspension, it doesn't give you as much of as a turning radius, so not for sure why that is on some cars. Maybe something forgot to get changed, or maybe that's just maybe that they're trying to make that more realistic, and you really wouldn't be able to easily put that stuff on there. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. Next time I'll be a little bit more prepared. But yeah, I think the Civic Corvette could actually be a pretty good car for drifting in Forza, and even possibly real life Formula Drift. So I would definitely love to see that in Formula Drift.